All right, how's everybody today? The recap for the week. We did a couple of AC calls. Right now it's kind of cool in Florida, so if your AC worked just fine and your outdoor unit it doesn't come on in heat, then what you got is your defrost board is bad. I had one of those this week, and I had another one where the outdoor unit came on when the indoor unit came on in heat. But the problem is it's a straight cool, so the outdoor unit is not supposed to come on when you turn the heat on. So what they had was they had air conditioning and the heat strips working at the same time. And what was wrong with that one was that the thermostat was bad. So we got a new thermostat put in, and it's working fine now. It's heating up good. And one of the other things that I was talking about last week was the building wealth and straighten out your credit. I got a video for that if you want to find out more information about the financial literacy piece that I had been talking about. So I'll send me a message and I'll send that over to you and get you started on that. Next, we got trucking. I ran a couple of loads this week. It didn't do really well, but covered fuel, so it wasn't a waste. But during the holidays, it's kind of slow for freight if you don't have dedicated lanes yet. And I switched trucks, so I'm starting over, so I don't have a dedicated lanes yet. But it's coming. It is coming. So the key to trucking is dedicated lanes. You need to know how much you're gonna make per load and how many of those you're gonna get. The key is to get a mix. You want at least 3 long loads. What I concentrate on is doing something that I can get done in one day. That's like Crawfordville or Tampa, Clearwater, stuff like that you can run and come back the same day. Because right now it just don't pay enough to be out, at least not for me anyway. I like to be home every night. Let's see what else we had for the week. I think that was it. Trucking and air conditioning and building wealth. Those are the 3 businesses. And electricfireplacesmarket.com. I sell electric fireplaces. I sell custom grills, and I sell custom fireplaces. Yes, electricfireplacesmarket.com. And check me out online and order a fireplace. They are nice. They are nice. I think that's it for today. Merry Christmas, everyone. Happy New Year. And pretty much the holidays are over now. It's time to get on the grind. But we got to work smarter. You pay for your lifestyle during the day. You build wealth at night. Your wealth building is without you. Your money should work harder than you do. If it don't, then we got work to do. Stocks, bonds, affiliate marketing stuff, and internet marketing stuff that works without you. People can go to your website, order, and you get paid without having to be there man in the store. Affiliate marketing, that's another thing. You can refer somebody else's product online, and when someone clicks on it and purchases it, then you get paid from that. So there are a lot of ways that we can get paid without our muscle involved. So that's things that I'm on now. So check back in, message me, send a like, subscribe, send an alert, click the alert bell so you'll know when the next video is coming in. I'm working hard to get a video every week. So yeah, check out the notes. It'll be where you can send the. You can buy me a cup of coffee, or you can donate to help the channel. But that's what we got for the week. We're back on the grind, building wealth, and pretty soon I'll be doing setting up to teach some classes, air conditioning, and the wealth stuff is going to be online and some in-person classes. So we're getting it done in 2026. We're trying to get everybody who's involved up to a 700 credit score. So once you get to your personal 700 credit score, then your business credit will triple that. But you got to get your personal credit first. I know that's we weren't taught nothing about business credit, but business credit amplify 2 to 3 times whatever your personal credit is. But for more information, send me a message and we'll get it started. Have a good day.